Ayla's Kırşehir adventure. "Welcome to Kırşehir," said a big sign. Ayla stepped off the bus. Kırşehir is a special city in the middle of Turkey. It is famous for history, science, and beautiful nature. Ayla was ready to explore. A friendly man waved at her. "Hello, Ayla. I am Dede Mehmet. I will be your guide." Dede Mehmet explained that Kırşehir means city of the steppe, or city of the grassland. It is old and full of secrets. Their first stop was the Kakabe Medrese. "This building is 700 years old," Dede Mehmet explained. It was built like an early science school, focusing on the stars and the sky. People call it the first Anatolian observatory. Kırşehir is also the city of Ahi Evran. He was a great leader of craftsmen and tradesmen long ago. Even today, Kırşehir is known for its skillful rug weaving and pottery art. History is everywhere you look. Next, they went outside the city to Safe Lake. "Look," Ayla whispered. The lake was bright pink and white, with thousands of flamingos. Safe Lake is very important for many types of migrating birds. Later, they visited Hırfanlı Dam Lake. This big lake is great for cooling down. "You can swim, sail, or even have a picnic here," said Dede Mehmet. The water was clear and blue, perfect for family fun. Kırşehir is also famous for music. A great musician named Neset Ertas was born here. He played the baglama, a traditional instrument, and sang songs that touched everyone's heart. Music is the soul of Kırşehir. After a long day, it was time to relax. Kırşehir has wonderful natural hot springs called terme. The warm, mineral water is great for health. It feels good to soak and rest after exploring. Kırşehir has so many different gifts, Ayla thought. Ancient star schools, pink lakes, blue water, and music that tells old stories. The land felt strong and welcoming. "Thank you, Dede Mehmet," Ayla said. Kırşehir is truly a beautiful and special place. She knew she would remember the stars, the birds, and the kind spirit of the city forever. Time to go home, but the memories stayed.